sir. There's a lot of buzz about it, so I thought let me try my luck with it.
Yeah, yeah. See, in crypto, there are two things that we have to follow. Actually, crypto and stocks, they both use the technical analysis only, but there is somewhat
Mm,
difference because stocks sometimes follow some kind of fundamentals and they do have a business, right, in stocks. But in crypto, they
mm,
don't have a business currently, right? It's a kind of digital currency, right? It's a kind of
mm.
software which works on blockchain technology, right? So it's
Okay.
not like a business like stocks, we have businesses, right? In crypto, there is no
Mm,
business. It is just used for trading purpose, buy and sell and all, right? Okay. So in stocks, like we have large cap, mid cap, small cap, right? In crypto also we have similar kind of things, but the logic is different. The way how we trade
mm.
in crypto, it's different, right? So we should always try to like buy low and sell high, right? But in
So
stocks,
that's the strategy.
Uh, but in stocks, we can follow two strategies, right? Buy low, sell high, and second is buy high, sell higher. Right?
Yeah.
So
Sir,
that
one basic question I had. So
mm,
crypto and Bitcoin are the same?
Bitcoin is a type of crypto. Bitcoin is a type of crypto. Okay.
Okay, fine.
One second, let me open that software. Then I will show you. One second.
Huh. And we can't use it via regular trading accounts that we have now.
No, we have to use a different apps or different accounts, right? So those accounts should be recognized by FIU, which is Financial Intelligence Unit, which comes under
Okay.
Ministry of Finance, right? So there are
So
certain.
this happened, it's been legalized only recently, right?
It's not legalized. They are charging taxes, but it's not like legal tender in India. But we can trade, but we have to pay the taxes on crypto, right?
So the moment we're paying taxes, which means the government is okay with it, unlike how it was before.
But we cannot use it for legal tender. Like if we want to purchase anything, we cannot use crypto. Like in other countries, they are using crypto for legal tenders. Like they want to buy groceries or they want to do shopping and all, right? So they use cryptos in many countries. But here in India, we don't have a legal
Oh,
tender, right?
that's okay. But
But
that's what we are doing this trading is money only, right?
uh, So we are doing trading, and whatever profit we earn, we have to pay taxes to the government. That is it, right?
Okay.
So the second thing is that there are certain, see, there are many apps actually, but there are certain apps which are recognized by FIU, right? FIU
Mm,
comes under Ministry of Finance. So we should be using only those apps or those websites to trade in crypto. Okay.
okay.
So the first one is CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch.
WITCH. Okay.
Yeah. One second, I will use
What's the tax we are paying for crypto, sir?
flat 30%.
Oh, that is too much.
But so the way you earn in crypto, it is also like that 100%, 500%, 1000% also, right? So the way we are earning, same way we have to pay the taxes also. Right?
And how much are we paying for stocks?
Stocks is less. I think it is for long term, it is 12.5%, and for short term, it is 20%.
And crypto is 30.
Yes.
Mutual funds?
Mutual funds also same thing like long term and short term 12.5 and uh, 20%.
Okay, same.
Yeah. See the difference here is that in stocks you can do a set off, right? Like if you have a gain of let's say 1 lakh and against that you have a loss of 50K, then you have to pay the taxes only on 50K. 1 lakh minus 50K, which comes to 50K. So you have to pay taxes on 50K only. But here in crypto it's not like that. Let's say you have earned a profit of 1 lakh and you have made a loss of around 20K, right? So then you have to pay taxes only on profit. So the losses won't be set off against the profits,
Oh,
right? Like that, right?
hmm.
because the crypto will also move like that, right? 300%, 500%, 1000% also, if you have chosen the correct one and at correct price,
Okay.
right? So the moment you are booking the profits, then only you have to pay the taxes. But if you are not booking the profits, like you are keeping it in your account, at that time you don't have to pay. The moment you are booking the profits and you are transferring the money to your savings account, at that time you have to pay the profits. Correct?
Which means if I have to pay, for example, if I have to pay 20 rupees as tax, it gets deducted by itself and then I get the remaining, or
You have to show an ITR. ITR. Once you file the
okay. How we do it in this one, right? Shares
ITR.
and mutual funds.
Right, right.
So, but while getting, I'll get the full amount, no?
Yeah, you will get the amount. See, that is a bit risky. See, here in stocks, they are being controlled by SEBI, right? But in crypto, they don't have any control, right? It's
Okay.
kind of open market, right? So they don't have any
So it
control.
can be manipulated also easily.
Yes, it can be manipulated, and the risk is high actually in crypto because uh, they are not controlled by
We don't
SEBI.
have regulators, right?
We don't have regulators. Only the thing is that they have certain apps which are regularized by Ministry of Finance. That's it.
Okay.
Like we have CoinSwitch and the CoinSwitch and the company name is Coinbase. The app name is CoinSwitch and the base company is Coinbase. Okay. And
Okay.
uh, next we have Binance and Bybit. But the one I use is CoinDCX. So you can use that one, CoinDCX. One second.
Coin DCX.
Yeah, Coin DCX. Coin DCX.
Yeah.
Think I have told you earlier also on the chat. You were asking sometimes back which app we are using. I have told you that, I
Is
think.
it? I don't. I have heard of Binance from a different person though. I haven't heard
Binance.
any of these.
Binance actually earlier we had access in India, but now they are not allowing the new users to create the account in Binance.
Okay.
Two apps are currently which are being used: Coinbase and CoinDCX.
Okay.
So Coinbase is having a bit of high brokerage. CoinDCX have a bit of less brokerage. So and the GUI and interface is quite good in CoinDCX as compared to Coinbase.
Okay.
So in CoinDCX you can do technical analysis and you can plot the graphs, you can use the indicators and all, right. So that is why CoinDCX looks pretty better than Coinbase. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 second, I'll just log in and then I'll show you. See, once you open this page, it will show you all the details about the app, right? Here you can see that it
Hmm.
will show you the FIU compliance here. FIU compliant, complying with the Indian anti-money laundering laws, correct? Certified by global standards. See,
ISO. Huh.
there are many apps which are not regularized by FIU and ISN. Also, you don't have to use those apps.
Okay.
So there are many apps they are running behind that, and they are doing scams and all, right. So don't use those. Just focus on this Coin DCX or Coinbase.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to create a account in this, but I'll show you. Let me log in and then I'll show you. So Bitcoin is basically a type of crypto, right?
Hmm.
So apart from that, there are many cryptos. Uh, like in stocks, right? We have variety of stocks, correct? Similarly, here also we have variety of cryptos like large cap. See, Bitcoin is a part of large crypto, large cap crypto.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then we have you can say that penny cryptos. We call penny stocks, right? So here we have penny cryptos, means you can also call it as mem cryptos, MEME, mem
Huh.
crypto. So they are highly risky. They are kind of like hero or zero. Either your money will become zero, or it can make you like 500%, 1000% like that, right? So it's a
Okay.
hero and zero, right? So the
Hmm.
strategy that you have to use to buy memo cryptos is like buy low and sell high. So you always have to wait for a correction, and once they come near the demand zone and all, then only you have to trade in those meme cryptos, because they are highly volatile and they are being manipulated by the various operators, right? Because
Hmm.
cryptos are being traded all over the world, right? So there are many countries which are using it as a legal tender also. As in India, we are
Okay.
as in India, we are not using it, but there are many countries they are using it at a legal tender. So the cryptos are very highly volatile, right?
Okay.
They are
And
they,
how you do your analysis based on the same candles strategy?
but there is a different thing that we have to follow here that I will show you one second.
The page looks very complicated though.
On that I have plotted the this technical charts, and that is why it looks to you like that. I'll just close everything. Okay. Okay. Now you can see below the coin wallet, right? Yes.
Huh.
Here you can see coins wallet, correct?
Huh.
So these are the cryptos, right? Adventure Gold, Alchemy, Anim Coin,
Okay. Hmm.
Avalanche, Bakery Token. So these are all cryptos. See, there are many cryptos. There are thousands and lakhs of cryptos, right? See,
Hmm.
so many are there, right? So what you can do is that how you can do is that first you can go to the. I actually use the app mostly. So website it's a bit complex actually. One second. Okay, yeah, here you can see on the left panel, right? ETH USDT. ETH means this is a crypto called Ethereum. You might have heard about it.
Yeah.
Ethereum.
Huh.
Ethereum. Okay.
Yeah, these are those electric vehicles, right?
No, no. Ethereum is it's a crypto that's totally different. That vehicles and all. See, here they don't have any business, so they are just softwares
Oh.
which are being
Okay, okay,
they are just softwares which are being traded
okay,
all over the world, buy and sell. That's it, right? So they
okay.
might have some business at the back end. So because they are using apps, right? They have certain softwares. So those softwares are being used by certain companies, or they might be
Hmm.
providing some kind of services. So that is different. So
Hmm.
so you don't have to see the business, what business they are doing. You just have to follow the pure technicals here. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see that Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Ethereum and Bitcoin,
Hmm.
these are most highly traded cryptos, and they are also called as
Okay.
large caps. And in terms of crypto, you can call it as a white paper coin.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there are stocks we call large caps or blue chip. Here we call it as a white paper, white paper
Hmm.
crypto. Okay. So Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these two you can use the same as strategy that you use in stocks, because they are kind of large cap, or you can say that blue chip crypto. So you can use a similar kind of strategies here also, like same kind of patterns, support, resistance, demand and supply. Same thing you can use in these two cryptos. But apart from that,
Hmm.
in the other cryptos, you have to follow the buy low and sell high, and you should always use the monthly or weekly chart.
Okay.
We have to use it for long-term investments. Correct.
We can't
Like
use it for short-term gains.
short-term, it can give you, but you have to wait for a correction. Then only you should buy it. See, you have to pay 30% taxes. If you are okay to pay 30% taxes for a small return, then it's fine. But
Makes
what I think
sense.
is that because since you have to pay more taxes, then you should wait for more
Might
returns.
as well wait for more.
Yes. Right. So these are all the cryptos here. You can search here link AVAX, SUI, Aster, LTC, WBT, BNB. All these are there are so many cryptos, right? So this is up to you how you choose it. I will show you one example. One second. Let me check one of the crypto. Okay, let me show you first how the chart of Bitcoin looks like. Second.
Huh.
So this is a chart I have selected. This is a Bitcoin chart. Okay, you can
Hmm.
see the price here 121,968. So
Yeah.
this is in dollars, US dollars.
USD. Huh.
Uh, And this I have selected the weekly time frame. Okay.
Okay.
So how I traded Bitcoin, I'll show you. So I traded around this area. Okay. I traded around this
Hmm.
area. And because I saw one pattern, which I have explained to you, I think during stocks also inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Right.
Hmm.
So I saw this pattern here, and here you can see there was a breakout here, correct? This was a
Yeah.
breakout.
Huh.
So I saw this pattern somewhere here, so I entered in Bitcoin here. But I I used to buy like long back also, like 3 years back also. I started in SIP and all, and once I get around
Hmm.
60-70% return, then I will sell it. So I normally trade for like that, like 6 months, 1 year, like that. I don't trade it for like short term, like 1 month or 2 months, right? I trade it for long period.
Okay.
I have to pay
Okay.
taxes, so that is why I wait for more gains. Okay.
Hmm.
So that is why we have selected the weekly chart here. Okay. So here, as you
Hmm.
can see that there is a inverse head and shoulder formation here, right? So how you calculate the targets here? You can calculate the targets by seeing the high and low price, right, of this pattern. So high price is how much?
Hmm.
1,10,000. Okay.
Hmm.
And low price is 80,000, correct?
80.
So 1,10,000 minus 80,000, it is coming around 30,000 points, right? So we have to add this
Hmm.
30,000 to 1,10,000. So it will come, the target is coming around 1,40,000 US dollars, right?
So
So
when do you enter?
you can enter here whenever there was a breakout, okay? And second is you can buy more whenever there is a retest of breakout. So this was a
So when
breakout.
you're saying breakout, then ideally the price would have gone out, na, when it is a
Yes,
breakout.
yes, it went out here. You can see, right? See, there
So
was a
it went up,
resistance.
na?
Yeah, from here it went up. So this is a breakout candle, the green one.
So you basically bought it when it was high, already high.
You can buy it because it's a large cap, right? So this you can use, you can buy it high also.
Acha, okay.
Ah, right. But I saw it here only. I saw this pattern here only. So
Okay.
I started the SIP at this level because
Oh.
I was not sure when it is going to take a breakout, right? So I started my SIP here, and whenever there was a breakout, I added more quantities.
So when it is towards a resistance, you kind of enter, right?
Yeah. See, there are different traders who use different strategies. Either they can, if they want to buy big, they can enter on a breakout, or they can enter on a breakout retest. So this is a breakout retest zone, right? This area. They can enter here also, right? And some traders who are safe traders, they can start entering here slowly like that. So I used to do a sip of 1,000 per week, right? So I did a sip for 1 year, and after that I got around 40-50% return. Then I sold it.
Okay. So now just a question here. Now, since
Uh,
it is very volatile, you don't have regulators here. You
mm,
saw this pattern, but
mm.
what guarantee you have that in the future also is going to be following the same pattern
So
since you
there may be
already got
different
into an
patterns.
SIP?
See, there may be, see, in Bitcoin, it was inverse head and shoulders, but in Ethereum, there was a different pattern. There was a rounding bottom pattern, right? So you have to follow the same technicals.
Hmm.
You have to follow the same technical analysis here as well, even in Bitcoin, even
Okay.
in Ethereum. So
Okay.
you should know how to find out. But the only difference here is that we will see the weekly or monthly chart. Focus on weekly and monthly charts only here.
Hmm.
So there we used to check like 1 hour also, 1 day also, right? So here,
Hmm.
since we are doing it for long term, then we don't have to see hourly chart or 30 minutes chart. We should try to focus
Yeah.
on weekly and monthly charts,
Okay.
right? So now you can see that the Bitcoin is at a resistance area. So this is again a resistance here, right? 1,21,000, correct? So
Yeah.
now the traders who didn't enter here or here or here, they can wait for this breakout to enter. Because as per the pattern, we know that the target is around 1,40,000 and currently it is 1,26,000 approximately,
So you're
1,25,000.
saying it can go up till 1,40,000.
Yeah, and after once it reaches this price, after that we'll see if there's any other pattern getting formed at that level. Then we can buy more or we can wait or we can book some
Exit.
percentage like that. Right? So
Okay. Huh,
for
got
now
it.
we have to wait for this target 1,40,000 because as per the pattern it is showing us like that.
Okay.
Right. So
Hmm.
see what I suggest is that in any crypto use small quantities only like Bitcoin and see you have to decide your capital first. See for me like I trade only with 1 lakh in cryptos. I don't have more capital in I have not put more capital in crypto because I know it is risky and we have to pay more taxes also, right? But we wait for more returns here. So my
Sir,
max
my agenda is very clear. I will do, if I enter, I will do SIP only. I will not do
so,
anything lump sum.
so SIP only is the best option in cryptos. Don't do lump sum in crypto. Even
Huh.
if you see the pattern also, then also you don't do it because I saw this pattern. Then also I didn't do lump sum. I started only the SIP only because they
Okay.
are very highly volatile, right?
Yeah.
If you see on daily chart, I'll show you. There was a very high volatility in Bitcoin. I think it is not showing in USD one. There was one. See, there are two categories, USDT and INR. The Bitcoin is available in two categories, USDT and INR.
Huh.
So you have
What
to
should
trade,
we enter into?
you have to trade only in INR and you have to see the chart of USDT and trade INR.
Oh, okay.
See, you can see there was a high volatility in INR. You can see this candle, the lower one, right? This candle.
Hmm.
So same candle you won't see in USDT. I will show you the USDT chart. See this I have plotted the 1 day chart of USD INR. Okay. INR, Bitcoin INR.
Hmm.
This is the chart of Bitcoin INR. Now I will show you the chart of Bitcoin USDT. 1 second. Very different. Okay. So now you don't see that candle here, right? That long candle, that hammer was there in INR one. Here it is not there. So you have to see the chart of USDT, but whenever you are buying, you have to buy in INR only. Hello? I think I think your screen is freezed. Hello?
I guess it went my, I have
Ah,
some network issues. I'll
okay.
just shift my network.
Hmm. So what you can do is right now you can install this app on your mobile first.
Hmm.
CoinDCX.
Okay.
Can install now. You can try installing now only. If you get any issue, I'll help you now. Because everything is there on the app only.
Do I have to give any documentation?
You have to do everything online. They will ask for Aadhaar, PAN number, and bank account number that you can do online only.
Okay.
So try to do it now only so that I can help you if you get stuck anywhere. Na?
Coin DCX, no?
Yeah, Coin DCX. Yes, correct.
I don't think if I have my documents available on the phone immediately.
No, you can enter your Aadhaar number and then it will ask for OTP and all. You can do like that. Because it's a bit tricky to do it. If you get stuck in between, then it will be like difficult. So that is why you can do it now only. It will hardly take 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. I just agree with the terms, no?
Yeah, yeah. And you can activate security on your app, right? There are two types of securities. One is fingerprint and other one is the pin, right? So you can activate both the security features on your app.
Okay. I haven't reached there yet.
No, I'm just saying like after once you install it, after that you can do it.
Yeah.
So any IPOs you have applied?
The recently what you gave LG,
Okay.
I haven't got the confirmation yet.
Okay, VWork you have applied? No, right?
WeWork I couldn't. I had some family emergency at the time.
Okay, so it's good that you didn't apply because I think it will not open in profits.
Is it?
Mm.
It's asking me to enter the Aadhaar to verify the Aadhaar, but I am not getting the alphabet option. Only numbers are showing.
Aadhaar will have only numbers, no?
Alphabet and oh, okay, you're right. I have
Alphabets
been
will be
thinking
there in
of
PAN
this
card.
one.
Alphabets will
Yeah,
be
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why I was thinking, why am I at?
there.
I don't remember my DigiLocker pin.
Asking for DigiLocker.
Yeah, for other verification. We can give consent to use Aadhaar for validation, right?
Yes, yes. And after that, you have to add your bank account details also so that you can later you can transfer your money from bank to the app.
Okay.
So here at the top now, if you see on the top, there are options, right? Blog, markets, convert, community. So you have to go to
Hmm.
markets.
Okay.
So once you go to markets, you can see all these option things here, right? Top gainers, top
Oh,
losers, top trending, top volume.
okay, it's the same thing how we have in this
Ah,
one.
yeah, right,
Kotak.
right. So for if you want to invest or trade in MEM cryptos, then you have to see only this top gainers, right? Focus on top gainers only.
Hmm.
Because top gainers means there is more volume in this and some operator or some big money is trying to enter in these cryptos, right?
Hmm.
So we have to see the charts one by one. Here it will show you four or five. So now it is showing four top gainers, right? So you have to focus
Okay.
on only these four top gainers and you have to see the chart one by one, and whichever chart you find is good, based on that you can put some money. Like I'll show you this one,
What's the
ZT.
minimum, sir?
Minimum 100 rupees you can put.
Okay.
Normally, I put like 1000 or 1500 only in MEM cryptos, and once it goes to like 2000, 2500, because these MEM cryptos can go beyond 200, 300% also in a day. Right.
Okay.
Even in US market also, you can see like 5000, 1000% gains in a day. So recently, one stock gave me around 5000% return
Oh my God.
in 2 days in US market. I invested around 3000 rupees and I got a return of around profit around 16,000 in 2 days.
Oh, lovely.
So these markets are very good for if you have a good technical analysis and all, then you will get very good return in these because they don't have a circuit breaker there. In India stocks, we have
Hmm.
a circuit breaker. Maximum 20% of stock can move in a day, right? But in US markets,
Oh,
and crypto, they don't have a limit. Even they can move to 1000, 1500% also in a day.
and can we buy and sell, exit on the same day?
Yes, yes. Right. So here, once I chose that, now it is showing me the charts here, right?
Hmm.
So now you can see that there is a lot of small candles you can see here, right? That means there's a lot of small accumulation going on in this crypto.